Welcome to Crowd1 Dubai Live.
When we build a business, it will be for all people, for all the people around the globe. The only thing you need is a mobile phone to be able to work with our company. The goals are the sky. They are so high. We will give all members a revolution to take care of your income in a streamlined way, in real time. Our own system involving cryptocurrency. And it will be the fastest way and the most secure way ever in an online networking company, in a crowd marketing company. The chance to have a second business, to have another leg standing on when it's tough times, to have a good chance to get in the money that you need for yourself and your family. And you guys will be on board first. But do you think this will be a year from now with hundreds and hundreds of millions of people on board? A lot of people have been having a really tough year. But it's really good to know that we have probably helped tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people to have a better life this year. And I'm not sure how long this will go on, but a business like this have never been more important. And we as a company, we will work day and night to provide all of the members in the company, provide them with the best business.